Miss City High 2025. From the special program in the arts, candidate number 7. Hi, Miss Siglas. How are you feeling tonight?
Tonight, I felt incredibly excited and by sharing my messages to all of you.
All right. Are you now ready for the question?
Yes.
I will repeat the question twice. So here it is. If you could bring back one tradition from the past and share it with your classmates, what would it be and what? Again, if you could bring back one tradition from the past and share it with your classmates, what would it be and what?
Thank you for the wonderful question. If I could bring back one tradition and to share it to everyone, I would be telling the young people by sharing some valuable lessons and to carrying it to our present so that we will be a good future and without them we would be the person we are today. So that it is important to honor and to remember what our heroes bought us back then. So, thank you. And mabuhay ang kulturang Pilipinas! Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!
Thank you very much, special program in the arts. We will now proceed with our third finalist for Miss